Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of businesses are using AI to automate workflows. Mind blown, right? AI is changing the game. Let's dive in. Setup 0:15 to 1 o'clock. GenSpark AI Workspace 4.0 just dropped. 13 best AI workflows for creators. We're covering them now. These tools matter. They save time, boost productivity. Let's get started. Notion 1 to 2:30. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Impressive feature, customizable dashboards. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 per month. Entrepreneurs need this. Saves time, boosts productivity. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. Impressive feature, automated writing. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 per month. Content creators need this. Saves time, generates ideas. Chat 4 to 5:30. ChatGPT is conversational AI. Impressive feature, human-like conversations. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 3 hours, ChatGPT does it in 15 minutes. It's free to try. Researchers need this. Saves time, provides insights. Canva 5:30 to 6:30. Canva is graphic design made easy. Impressive feature, drag and drop editor. Imagine you need to create a logo. Instead of 1 hour, Canva does it in 10 minutes. It's $12.95 per month. Designers need this. Saves time, creates stunning visuals. Zapier 6:30 to 7:30. Zapier is workflow automation. Impressive feature, automated tasks. Imagine you need to send emails. Instead of 1 hour, Zapier does it in 5 minutes. It's free. Business owners need this. Saves time, boosts productivity. Gamma 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Gamma is AI-powered video editing. Impressive feature, automated editing. Imagine you need to edit a video. Instead of 2 hours, Gamma does it in 15 minutes. It's $9.99 per month. Video creators need this. Saves time, creates stunning videos. Descript 8 to 8:30. Descript is AI-powered audio editing. Impressive feature, automated transcription. Imagine you need to transcribe audio. Instead of 1 hour, Descript does it in 10 minutes. It's $12 per month. Podcasters need this. Saves time, creates stunning audio. 11 Labs 8:30 to 9 o'clock. 11 Labs is AI-powered voiceovers. Impressive feature, automated voiceovers. Imagine you need to create a voiceover. Instead of 1 hour, 11 Labs does it in 10 minutes. It's $5 per month. YouTubers need this. Saves time, creates stunning voiceovers. Perplexity 9 to 9:30. Perplexity is AI-powered research. Impressive feature, automated research. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 3 hours, Perplexity does it in 15 minutes. It's $10 per month. Researchers need this. Saves time, provides insights. ClickUp 9:30 to 10 o'clock. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform. Impressive feature, customizable workflows. Imagine you need to manage tasks. Instead of 2 hours, ClickUp does it in 10 minutes.